Right, this is unbelievable. I don't know if you can see this, but there is a trail of Minisats coming across. They look like UFOs or something. That is insane. I've never seen that before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. They just emerged. That's got to be what they are. Minisats. It's Elon Musk, isn't it? That is insane. They are actually moving at slightly different speeds, or so it appears. They kind of appear to catch up with one another. Wow, I don't know if I'm getting this, but that is really, really cool. I'm just going to keep recording. Never seen anything like that before. Just going to go over the brow of the horizon into the mountains in the distance. Check that out. That's the range, that's the view. Up there, there's these satellites. I reckon this iPhone is just about picking this up. Trying to autofocus. They're kind of merging into a much thinner strip, obviously, as they're going into the distance, into the perspective. Wow. That's Minisats in the Pyrenees. Glad I saw that. I was hoping to see the ISS or something, but did not expect that. Just the way they came across in such a, they just emerged. Such a straight line. Very cool.